Hello YouTube traders, my name is Star Explorer. I'm a share swing trader and a Discord community analyst at 10 Bagger Stocks. So today's topic is how to predict earnings with a gap up pattern. We have BABA and Chevron for today's example. Okay, so if we take a look at BABA, the earnings were on May 14th, and on May 13th, what I said to the group was, as you can see, it is May 13th, and I said to the group that typically the day before earnings, if it gaps up, then at earnings it gaps down. So pretty straightforward. Let's go back to here on May 13th, you see an unusual gap up, and if you want to capitalize or gamble on this pattern, you can take short position just before market close, and on earnings you try and sell it at the low of the day. Pretty simple. Okay, so that's the pattern. You sell at the gap up the day before earnings, and you cover at earnings. Another example that we have, I'm just gonna replay to the other example. So here again we're on BABA, and we have an unusual gap up. So it was November 14th 2023, and the day before earnings on November 15th, we have an unusual gap up. And like I said, this is a pattern. If you want to capitalize, you could, or in gamble, you can take short positions. And as we can see on earnings, it gapped down. So that's, I don't know how much that was, but let's say you took shorts before market close, you would have had 9%, okay, which is a pretty good trade. So those were the examples on BABA. Another example, well, actually it happens quite. Nah, this one didn't happen. Yep, this one was fine too. Okay, so if we take a look at Chevron, okay. Now I'm gonna take you back to January 26, 2003, and the earnings for Chevron was on a Friday, January 27th. Okay, and what happened was the day before earnings there was an unusual gap up. Okay, just like this, because I was staring at the Ishimoku cloud, but shouldn't. So there was a gap up, and like I said, ignore the trend line for now. I'm just gonna ignore it. If you look at the earnings, it gapped down and it went further down. But anyways, you can't really know the next. Well, you could, but if we follow the BABA's example, you take a short position if you want to gamble, and if you know the gap up pattern, you can take shorts position and then try and sell it at the low of the day. There you go. That was the gap up. How to predict earnings at the with the gap up pattern. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. And if you want to receive a instant swing trade signal, consider joining the premium Discord access. The link is in the description. And if you want to eventually learn how to become an independent trader, there's the 10 Bagger master course, which link is also in the description. And there's a Trading View referral if you want to have a little discount if you don't have Trading View just yet. That's it. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.